Today I finished up over $16,000 on the day. As you can see on the screen, I took 3 trades and 3 wins, so definitely pleased about that. Starting the new year on a strong start. First play I took puts at 9:32. We had a $5 gap up, and when we have these major gap ups, I'm looking at a faded open, and when we have those major gap downs, I'm looking for a pop it open. This just happens to be just the way it is 95% of the time. So seeing the big $5 gap up, I was looking at puts right at open. As soon as we get underneath 685, I took the 68.65 puts at 820, and they went from 820 to 1130 right there. So that ended up being a good play. Then we popped a higher day, the next candle, and then we went back to lower day a couple candles later, and I was just like, okay, I don't know if I want to play this. These candles are crazy. No rhyme or reason. We're just going higher day, lower day, higher day, lower day, and I was not interested in it until we got back down here. This red line, which is previous low's day, and PDC was there, which is previous day's close. So they were both lined up within a few cents of each other. So as soon as it got and touched this area of 681.70 and bounced, I grabbed calls. I grabbed the 68.65 calls at 650, and they went from 650 to $11 on that push up there. So definitely pleased about that. And the last trade I took puts at 12.49, which is right over here. It tried to bounce up, and it rejected this blue line, which is the 20 EMA, came back down. Once it cut back underneath all the bodies of these 3 candles right here, underneath 681.15, that's where I took puts. I took the 68.35 puts at 770, and they went from 770 to 910 on that little drop right there. So that ended up being a pretty good play. So very, very good start of the year. If you want to know more about my plays and what I'm doing, you can find my link in my bio, or just go to optionslottos.com and it will take you there too. You don't want to miss what's going on. Got a bunch of new challenges that started. You need to be a premium member to see those. If you want to learn how to build a small account, that's the way to do it. Don't want to miss out. I just started today, and it's not too late to follow along on Monday, and that's going to do it. So thanks for watching.